Hi everyone, thank you for clicking on this video. Again, excuse my voice. So this is just going to be a really quick video showing you how I trim my hair. It's not anything special. I'm not trying to shape my hair or put layers into it or anything like that. I'm literally just getting rid of the very ends. So because I'm not trying to shape it or do anything special to it, I always do it on blow dried hair just because it's easier to see where the damage is and it's easier to get an even cut all over, and it takes less time because there's less detangling involved. You may have seen on my Instagram on a recent post that I said that I used to trim my hair every 6 months, so basically twice a year. The reason I did it every 6 months was because when it got to the 5-6 month stage, that's when I started to see damage on the ends of my hair. So I kind of wanted to stretch out the time between trimming as much as possible and then just trim off a little bit when I started to notice damage. But I'm starting to think now that that's maybe not the best way to get length retention. So I am going to increase it only slightly. So I'm going to do it 3 times a year instead of 2 times a year. So basically every 4 months. So what I plan on doing is trimming my ends before the damage is visible. So then I can trim off less each time I trim it. So then the growth will show more. So I'm basically preventing getting damage before it happens rather than cutting the damage off after it happens. Because if you cut the damage off after it happens, you're going to have to cut off a lot more hair than if you cut it off before it happens. So all I do is I literally just section my hair into, I'll probably section it into quarters, and then in each quarter section I take a thin piece of hair and snip off just the very ends. So I thought, what's a better time to have a fresh trim than New Year's? It is the 1st of January, so Happy New Year to everybody. So I'll speed it up for you guys just so you can see exactly how I trim my whole head of hair. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. How often do you trim your hair? How do you find it's been like most efficient in terms of length retention and hair growth? Get a discussion going in the comments below, because hair growth and length retention is something that is like such a big topic in the natural hair community. So you can always help somebody out by dropping like the most simple comment of what you do personally. You may help somebody else. So leave comments below, and yeah, I hope you enjoy. Thank you.
Yeah.
Also, I forgot to mention, make sure that you get some proper hair scissors or hair shears. You can get them anywhere really. I got mine on Amazon or possibly eBay, I can't remember. But if you just type in hair scissors, you'll have like a big range. You get some really expensive ones. I got cheap ones, but they are super sharp and they do the job. I've been down so in love like I've been